So I would like to ask you, before actually using our tool, if you were already at Loganair managing fuel efficiency, and if so, how you were doing it.
Yeah, sure. Before implementing SkyBreathe, our approach to fuel efficiency relied heavily on manual data collection and analysis. So that used a combination of tools that didn't necessarily speak to each other. And while this provided some insights, it was quite time consuming and made it difficult to identify trends or benchmark processes across the fleet. Or it was a lot more intensive in that respect. As I say, the main challenges are around integration and the limited visibility into specific fuel-saving opportunities. So we identified the need for a more collaborative platform to also share this data across our ground teams, but also with our flight crew as well.
Nice, thank you so much. So while you were looking for a fuel efficiency tool, I would like to know if there was any key factor that led you to choose us.
Yeah. So we identified or we evaluated several alternatives that included in-house solutions, but also other commercial platforms. SkyBreathe stood out due to its proven track record with other operators and particularly advanced analytics that we could leverage. Given the fleet that we operate, we wanted a comparison with other operators who also use those sorts of aircraft, and we knew that the benchmark module, as an example, within SkyBreathe would give us that capability for some of our fleet as well as your platform's ability to integrate with our existing systems and provide, the insights for both operational and strategic decision making. That was a key element of why we went with SkyBreathe and OpenAirlines.
Yeah, thank you. And indeed, actually, I think one of the stories about your implementation is that Dane and I both work with other turboprop operators. As you just said, indeed, our community has very diverse, different operators. So we have from Boeing 747 to turboprops, even though currently not all the turboprops in the world. You mentioned Twin Otters, very specific type of operations. So both Dane and I have been working with airlines around the world operating ATRs and Dash. So it was, again, very interesting for us to share our experience with these aircraft types.
Mm-hmm. And yes. It was definitely very useful during the implementation for the experience that you both have with those aircraft types, because any specific questions we had, if it was anything related to the FDR data or any limitations with those aircraft, you were very aware, and if not able to get an answer pretty quickly from that as well. So it was very useful from our side.